Now that we've got our electrical box set up, we're going to figure out what our lengths of our liquid tight tubing are going to be next. So what we're going to start by doing is just removing this panel. There's 3 easy screws. We put them right on top of the machine. They're easy to get back to. And just for a matter of convenience, I've already knocked these 2 holes out. And these liquid tight connectors get installed there. So what we want to do is take the fittings off of them, which is these 2 ends, right here and here. There's one more with a locking ring on it marked. And then they have locking rings on them. Okay, we'll take that one. So we're going to take the locking ring off. I'm going to insert that through there, reinstall the locking ring, and ensure that that's good and tight. And you'll see that the rubber gasket stays in there so there's no moisture intrusion or animals or anything like that. We have one more to install. That'll be identical to this one, the rubber gasket between the housing and here. And then what I like to do is just hold that in place, and then we'll determine what our lengths for tubing is. So if we put this one on here, which is going to be to our umbilical cord, Mark, you'll run that over to the other side and determine when that'll go into that shrouding. Which, note, this has already been pre-cut to size, so we know where this is going to go, so we know what the length of this is. So the first thing we're going to do after we know that is we're going to run this cord down in through here. So, Mark, if you want to hold the other end straight on the other side. And you can just drop this in here. As long as that liquid tight stays straight, it'll fall right in, go right through. And you should have plenty of room. Did that come out the end yet? Oh, yeah. Okay. You got it? Yep. And that goes up into your line chase, and that's about the exact amount you want to leave hanging out for your connection to here. Then what we want to do next is our connection to this box.